stone. He's cooking his own thing.
Here may tawagan na, di ba? Pagkuhan na ni Mako.
Okay, I'm ready to eat now.
Take na.
Mana siya ikuan scrambling route up Snowdonia.
Ako na iba scrambling. Nag-scrambling na last time, no?
Dangerous siya. Scrambling.
I like scrambling.
So, I'm going to Snowdonia.
Trip book siya.
A selfie?
A quick photo op as well before we leave. Making sure we won't fall.
Dali, remind me to bring my
There. Hi guys. Another stop by the lake. I don't know what this is called. Our second stop for our second day. This is called. What is this called? What is this called, babe?
I don't know. Llyn Ogwen.
Llyn Ogwen. There you go. We got it from him. Yeah, so we're gonna do a little walk, and hopefully at the end of the walk there'll be a beautiful lighthouse.
No, not this one.
Oh, is it not this one? Okay, never mind then. You have to come here to really appreciate it, I think. It's too beautiful. Let me show you. It's better in real life, so you have to try and come visit this place. We're here, just a quick stop to have a photo of this waterfall. We climbed up to the top of those rocks right there. That's not yours, Chuck. Don't even try.
Apa siya river?
So if you can see, don't look at them, look at the view. Excuse me, can you not block the view? They're blocking the view. Anyway, let's move around here. Look at that. I have the view. And they ruined it for you guys, sorry. A deodorant for the face. If mahok kag nawong, espray. Espray all over. Okay.
Perfect.
Bitaw humot na ba kag nawong? Humot na. So we're going on top of these rocks to go see the lake. This is the second lake for today. Look at that. Ano pusing naman ka diha, babe?
Aswingan mo.
Sige ka sa basement. Workshop na. Well, some people naturally agony. Okay, I will get away.
Nagmawala ka.
Away! Sanay ko signal ni JB.
Isa, may way mo.
Mong gipalid ka this time.
What ba nila na pwede?
Ito ano mo, nice kayo.
Lion King. Lion sleeps tonight.
This is so pretty. Such a pretty track. Can you guys see? Look up to the right.
Down to the pool.
What else happened, Chris? This is why we don't let Mafi lead.
Llyn Idwal.
Llyn Idwal. May kinyola. Bisag na sayop kasi. Sa ilog, ang mundo'y tahimik. They're arguing. We made it, guys. This is the lake. We're gonna take some photos here and then we go back to the car park. The night walkers. Going back to the car park now. What do you think, Ma? She's wearing a proper hiking shoes and we're wearing like casual. So we're almost at the end.
Dada, today's goal. Don't forget.
What?
Our goal today
What's the goal?
to reach the unreachable castle.
To reach the unreachable castle. We're here.
So well, gotcha. Perfect. Thanks so much. Ah, what's your fun?
That a mountain there.
Or is that just walkway? Stay in the lake.
Also the castle.
It's nice.
They created a town inside the castle walls.
Clock shop. Cheese room. Heritage site. Why?
Why is this a World Heritage
Because
Site?
it's a well-preserved, iconic landmark in the country, and it has
One of the four magnificent castles.
So,
That's it.
yeah.
and there must not no industrialization within the areas of a World Historic Site.
I didn't even know.
That's what happened.
Do you know anything? That's the question.
That's what happened to Manchester. They lost their status.
Why?
Kasi
Kasi-
industrialized.
Sila.
You want me to lead the way?
What did you get, Chang?
Fish and chips.
How about you, babe?
Chips.
How about yourself, Ma?
Place.
Sama na.
It's a kind of fish.
Another fish and chips.
Yeah, and
but
it's
not
more
cod.
umami than cod.
Are you sure?
That's what Google said, so I'm gonna try.
We just quickly grab something to eat and drink. Show your mango shake. And we're gonna go inside the castle now. So we're here at Conwy Castle. It's a World Heritage Site.
Here's our tour guide and our vlogger to explain.
Oh, they're good.
No, I'm just later. JB, please. You have to pay me. Catapult.
Just on top of the long and winding stairs. Going to the waterfalls now. This is one of the 3 waterfalls in the holiday park.
Waterfall.
Hi guys, sorry I wasn't able to vlog after our hike last night, but after our hike we went to the supermarket to buy ice and few things, and then we went home and prepared our dinner, and I fell asleep. And I think they stayed up late until 12 midnight. They finished a bottle of white Zinfandel. So in the morning it was my turn to clean up because they did all the work last night because I was too tired. But I was able to put ice on my legs, so it's not too bad today. What's the plan today, babe?
Go home.
Where else? I thought we were going to Lake something.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go to one of the lakes here in Wales, and then we head home.
Way past the park now. We have to go back. I can no longer hear the sound calling me. Again.
That's the barn,
So we managed till.
and this is the opening.
This is the opening I've been talking about. Good job, guys. You did good.
You did good.
What am I doing?
Oh my gosh, we're in the forest.
You follow the sound.
So we did not go to the 2nd and 3rd falls because it's quite a walk. We're on our way to our car now, and we'll be heading to our next destination, the lake, and after that we're gonna drive home.
Enchanting pine forest. Yeah, I like it. Baba sa may pati. Wrong turn ba?
Wrong turn. Rolling sun.
See the tower there. Wonder.
Hi guys, we're here at Lake Vyrnwy. I'm not sure if that's the name, but I'll have to double check later. This is our last stop, and we're gonna go home after this. So it is now noontime. It's nice and lovely here. Fantastic views. So we don't have this kind of weather all year round. And I really appreciate it when I go on holiday and it's like this. Nice and sunny, but not scorching hot.
Right.